In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manually add new website to Google Analytics. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Analytics. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account for the business or website you are tracking. Once you are in, you will land on the Analytics home area. This is the main dashboard where you can see an overview of your activity. But for adding a new website, you will be working in the Admin Setup area through Data Streams. From the home screen, find and select the option that says Go to Data Streams. This takes you to the place where Google Analytics manages the different sources of data that can feed into your property, like websites and apps. Data streams are important because they define where your measurement comes from and how it is collected. When the Data Streams page opens, look for the section that is highlighted on the screen. This is where you choose what kind of stream you are adding. For a standard website, you will select Web. Choosing Web tells Google Analytics you want to track activity from a site that people visit in a browser, such as page views and other events collected through your tracking setup. After you click Web, you may see a confirmation prompt. Click Yes to continue. This helps confirm you are creating the correct type of stream and prevents accidental setup changes. Next, you will see additional highlighted areas that guide you through the setup. Follow those prompts carefully and keep your attention on the fields Google Analytics is requesting. This is where you will be defining the details for the website stream. Take your time here, because the information you enter affects how your reports are labeled and how your traffic is organized later. Continue through the highlighted selections shown in the interface until you are ready to finalize the setup. When everything is ready, click Setup Data Stream. That action creates the new website data stream inside your Google Analytics property. Once the stream is created, you are ready to move forward with tracking configuration in your broader setup, but the stream itself is now added and available in your account. And that is all there is to it.